Have you ever wondered how to start drop shipping from scratch with absolutely no money required? Beginners are already making $100 to $700 a day, no experience. Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And here's how to earn money with Shopify drop shipping. Go from earning nothing to six figures in your first year. Let's get started. A lot of people want to start with Shopify drop shipping. They usually say, I see this person making money on YouTube. I see this person making money on TikTok. I see this person making money on Instagram, and I want to be like them. I see the freedom that is possible with Shopify drop shipping. But after that, they say, nope, I can't do that, as they survey their finances. You need to spend money to make money, right? Wrong. The first is to find other sources of cash to fund the costs needed on Shopify. How? Let's say you have friends that are entrepreneurs or family that would like to help you get started. Maybe they can help you with some cash, or maybe they know of easy side hustles online, Facebook groups, or whatnot. They have suggestions, you do your own as well. This helps come up with innovative ways to earn money that can help you start Shopify drop shipping. There are people posting on groups on how to make money online all the time. Best part is, you can join most of these groups for free. Some even post their results from Shopify drop shipping and they are making thousands a day. Let's say you just want to make $100 a day from Shopify and you see this post on Facebook that says they have literally made $13,000 a day. When you see these types of results, you know there is a system, a process in place, and that you can do the same to achieve your goal of $100 a day. The only issue is that Shopify requires you to spend money on various things to get the ball rolling. You have the monthly fee, products, and the monster marketing. We get it. You are watching this video because you need more money and don't have a lot of discretionary income to risk on starting a new business. How are you going to market your products? How can you get this ball rolling? What about that monthly fee, $29? To many, it doesn't seem like much, but when money is tight, you may be hesitant to spend $10 a month, let alone $29. What if you mess up and lose $29? Luckily, there are still ways, inventive strategies to move forward and devise options to get around the marketing and the $29 a month barrier to entry. You can start using Shopify dropshipping for free from scratch, but you have to be willing to work at it and be inventive. Truthfully, this is the basis to all entrepreneurial ventures. One way would be to start up another side hustle. Then, you could take that money and pay the $29 a month without actually spending your own money. This is because the side job ended up covering it, right? You just need to find that hustle that can earn you a little extra cash that's easy and doesn't take a lot of time or effort. A business you could do is another kind of drop shipping to help build your confidence. Copying and pasting pictures from Walmart or another large discount retailer and posting these items for sale on another sales platform is an option. Let's say you find a gazebo for $699 on Walmart.com. You could paste the product on eBay and sell it for $1,000. There have been products that have been sold doing this exact procedure. You could do the same. Simply post the same gazebo on eBay for $1,000. Once someone purchases it, you get the money. Then, get the buyer's shipping details and buy the actual product off Walmart where it is cheaper and have Walmart ship the product directly to the buyer. You immediately gain profit. Doing this method will only take 15 to 30 minutes a day. Purely copy and paste, free to get started as well. Once you make that first sale, you gain a little confidence and a little capital to start your Shopify venture. With this example, you can make some profit from eBay, about $150 after fees. This can help fund your Shopify for a few months, so it doesn't sound that bad, does it? You simply have to hop on another platform, practice some short-term drop shipping, and generate that cash flow with no money coming out of your pockets. That's a win. Once you can generate a little profit each week, you can start working on your Shopify store. Spend time learning about Shopify and marketing strategies while you are building this initial revenue stream. Once you reach enough startup money, you have the freedom to personalize your store, and all you have to do is sign up. One of the amazing things about Shopify is that they have pre-built templates that you can use to design your store and get things started. Users have implemented these templates and made significant money in their first year. You do not need a complicated website, simply make an efficient one and get started with the basic $29 plan. They connect with creators on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. They create merchandise for them, like for example, they sell hoodies for $45. The hoodies on Printful only go for about $20. So they connect their Shopify with Printful and sell hoodies for $45 while only having to pay $20 for the actual products. That's actually a pretty smart business move. Let's say you wanted to sell shirts of cats. Simply go and search cat tips on YouTube. You would see videos that have thousands of views from channels that only have about a few thousand subscribers. You could partner with those people. You build the business. They make the videos. You will split the profit. That's a win-win situation, right? That's one way to do marketing if you have no money. Another would be to simply make the videos yourself. Some YouTubers have taken their e-commerce products on Shopify and made videos about it. One example would be Lux Curves, as you would see from her most popular videos. It is mostly before and after pictures on waist training, which is what is usually recommended searches if you search for waist training on YouTube. Her video gained around 1.6 million views, which is a great help for exposure on your Shopify store. Imagine that. Your video, which is directed to your Shopify store, got 1.6 million views. That will definitely generate a lot of money, right? You could do the same. Let's say you started up a Shopify store and you have a product that solves a problem that is on the recommended searches. If your video will show up on the first page of searches, you can gain a lot of views immediately. With your ranked video directed towards your Shopify store, easy money for you. The thing that stops people from Shopify drop shipping is the money to get started since they see marketing as a huge hassle. The Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. It definitely is hard, but let's say you apply the suggestions mentioned. You find another way to make at least $100 to fund the costs on Shopify. Form partnerships with channels that have a lot of views with little subscribers. You could also apply the cat shirt idea or simply make your own videos. Creating a Shopify store from scratch with the free templates as well. Once you hit that first $100, you would have crossed that first major hill in getting those $1,000,000 by your first year. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made finance simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon.